Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome again on a new video on our channel. In this video, basically, we're going to talk about a market analysis on GBPUSD on the 15th of June and the trades we have took in before London Open using the ICT silver bullet indicator. So stay tuned. Meanwhile, don't hesitate to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you can receive any new videos from our site. All right, in this example, basically gonna talk about the GBPUSD trade that we took on 15th of June. I'm gonna go through my entire analysis, not only the ICT silver bullet. ICT silver bullet indicator is really the entry that we are taking that is confirming that we should go or not. So let me go over my analysis and I'll finish out with to show you how I took the trade. First of all, on a weekly basis, I start usually weekly, daily, 50-minute, and I take my trades on 1 minute on the ICT silver bullet. If I look at the weekly, I had two bullish weeks before the week of 15 June. I have relative equal highs and I have a bearish order block that is just above with a good fair value gap in price. So my bias on the weekly was up, and that's why I'm taking always a buy trades on GBPUSD. If I drop down to the daily time frame, on daily time frame, let me zoom out. I'm gonna see the same order block, which is here in blue, and the square just around it. It's a daily bearish order block. So if I zoom just to show you, so it's this bearish order block. I have clean traffic. I still have the equal highs on daily basis, and if I go into the last 2 months structure, basically I have a change of character as bullish. We had a correction here in May. We have change character. We start to have break of structure, so moving up. At the time that I'm analyzing the market, one very important point is we have a new close daily as from the previous close. So you can see, in addition that we have here liquidity to grab, we already closed above the daily close, previous daily close. All right. If I break down to M15, so at M15, let me zoom out a little bit. I have a break of structure. I have a good move on the 14th of June. The market is retracing. If I look more in details, basically I have a buy side liquidity on the different level that I have here. So on the top, here and here. And the market is still retracing until this moment. Why until this moment? Because at this moment I see a sudden rise in price on the charts. I have also a change of character just right here, and creating basically an order block that doesn't want to wake to be. All right, and basically creating here an order block with a fair value gap in price between here and here. So here I'm starting to continue my trend up, so my bullish trend. All right, if I go down to the 1 minute chart now, on the 1 minute chart I can see again my buy side liquidity level on the 50-minute. I can see my bearish order block, and I can check here more in the details the 1 minute. So I can see clearly a break of structure just here, and the idea is to wait until we have the silver bullet window, so we can see the fair value gap that are here. If we have a bullish one, basically we take a buy. Stop loss is at the middle or below this order block, and we have 3 different targets that we're gonna take to the upward. So here's the price have revisited the order block. We continue, and here we started really the window. So from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. New York time. My chart are in GMT, so it's GMT -4. So here I have a first bearish fair value gap. Because I'm searching for buys, I will not take it into consideration, which is normal. I'll continue. Another fair value gap, which is bearish. I will ignore it. And here I have the first bullish. Should I take a trade here? Maybe it's risky. Personally, I will not take it. I will not take it right now because I have a low, a higher low, and a high and a lower high. So I don't have really a market structure telling me that yes, the price is moving higher now. So I'll wait. And here clearly you have a big run of price. Take the buy side liquidity that are just here and creating a fair value gap here. So basically this could be a potential entry for me. So if I take a trade, basically this trade, this would be my stop loss. I'll enter at the top of the fair value gap. Let me just change the color. All right, and basically I'll take a 1 2 2 or 1 2 3. My first target is here, so 1 to 1 is not enough for me. I'll take more. I have another target just here, so I'll take more. And 1 to 3 are good. However, if I zoom out, I'm hitting the three different the two first levels of the 15-minute, and I have a last one up. So I'll continue to pile up my R's. And basically I'll stop here. So it's a risk of 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 risk to reward ratio. And here I have my first R. Here I hit my 2R. I have my 3R at this level, my 4R, and my 5R. And if you see really it is really coincidence that really my 5R is just a couple of pips of this high. Later in the day, the price continued to move higher, but for me, I have done my trade. I have done a 5R, and it was a very good trade. Well, you're gonna ask me here, okay, you have done all the analysis, so you can come to the ICT silver bullet and take it as an entry. Yes, you need to have a full analysis. The indicator by itself is really, let's take a two cross moving averages. If you're trading really two cross moving averages, will you take each buy signal and saddle signal that it will give you or not? Well, I doubt so. So basically, it's the same. When you have a two cross moving average, you're going to analyze the market, you're going to know how it will go, is it up, is it down, and take your trades accordingly. The same is go here. You need to have a real understanding of the market structure, of where the price would go, what would be your daily bias, and do your analysis. And this ICT silver bullet indicator will help you in the entry. And what I like the most is that I set simply my alerts. I'm away from my computer. I have done already my analysis. I know if I'm searching for a buy or for a sell. And when I hear the alert or when I receive my push notification on my mobile, I get back to my screen and I'll start to check extra elements that will fit in my analysis and will allow me to take that trade. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and activate the bell button so you can receive the latest video from our site. Thanks a lot, and until next time, have safe trading.